The fact that text can get lost in translation and there's a lot of misinterpretation of emotions when reading texts, that's why I
Yeah.
don't take it too serious, because you never know what people are thinking until you talk to them face to face. And that's when the real people come out.
Yes.
This is the nature of the internet.
So you call the internet life is not real life, I think.
It
But I
is
think
real life. I'm treating it like real life. That's why I spend my time here. And I genuinely try to be patient with people. And whoever accepts, welcome. Whoever doesn't accept, bye bye. That's just how it is. You can't let that bother you. You know, you got to be strong. You got to be confident about it.
because I'm crazy busy. If they send a text to me, I didn't have time reply them, so I feel guilty.
I feel guilty too. That's normal to feel that way.
Because you feel guilty, so sometimes I think you have a lot pressure.
Yeah, but I have to understand and make a rational decision that I'm not capable. I don't have superhuman abilities, supernatural abilities to help everyone. So I just do my best and I not worry about the rest. I can't. There's nothing I can do, right? I have to be rational about it. If I'm emotional about it, then it would add pressure. But I'm very rational about it because I'm much older now. If I was 23 or 24, maybe it would bother me. But now that I'm older, it's like I'm doing my best. What else can I do? And you should also adapt the same mentality. You would feel much more peace in your heart if you adopt the same mentality. You'd feel more peaceful. Like, comment, and subscribe. Click that bell notification. Follow me on HelloTalk. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe. Am I finished?